Hi everyone. So I have been a little bit unwell, so that's why I didn't post videos so much time. I had cough, and so I couldn't talk really well. So in meanwhile, I had watched the Malayalam movie Sukshma Darshini, and I find it okay. I like this movie was. Not a must watch but an enjoyable watch. I felt that the thrill was there, the mystery was there, and it will keep us guessing what will happen next, what is the actually happening, and we will get the answer only till to the end only. So that is there, but even the ending punch was not that great, I think, but it was okay. The mystery will like the mystery, and we will like the everything till the end. I felt ending was okay. If the ending was a little bit more punchful, or like little more uh, creative or good, the movie would have been very good. uh, I just felt that the background music was a little bit too loud. It is supposed to make us feel anticipatory and excited and curious, but the background music just is too loud, way too loud to be to enjoy the movie. Another aspect which I felt that didn't make this movie so great is that the acting in it. Acting was okay. Like, I felt that Basil Joseph and Nasria didn't suit these characters. If it was played by someone else, like if Basil Joseph's character was played by Fahad Fasil or even Asif Ali, or somebody, or Kunjaga Boban, and Nazriya's character was played by Parvati or somebody which a bit more range, it would have been very different of a movie, and it would have been better of a movie, because I don't hate these two actors. I love Basil Joseph and Nasriya, especially Nasriya. I adore Nasriya actually, but Nasriya's a range of characters she can play is very small. She always act in a certain way. We will love her acting. We know she is adorable, she is cute, but some characters which needs a little bit more depth and little bit more weight to them, I felt Nazriya cannot play those characters. So I felt in this movie somebody else could have been a bit more fit than Nasriya, and somebody else could have been a bit more fit than Basil Joseph. So that's one thing that I had a thought about. But the story of this movie is very unique and good. Script is good. The script of this movie is extremely good. Actually, I would say that the script is good. Only the acting and direction and sound design let it down a little bit, because the story actually has a lot of aspect which does a lot of bit detailing in this movie. Like, there is a lot of foreshadowing. It is established that Nasriya's character is very perceptive, and she like to do like a lot of she observes things, she does things different way kind of thing. Because in the scene where they are all talking about Basil Joseph's character Manuel on the phone calls, all the ladies are talking about him, and Nasriya's nose ring falls into the drain, and she picks it up with a magnet or something attached to a stick or something. And that, like, it's a casual kind of setting when they are all talking about him. It's just casual happening, and she is doing this, and that makes us think she that like portrays that she is intelligent and she can do things like that, and she everything is established from the start that she Priyadarshini's character is a microbiology student, and she is seeking for a job and all that, but minute things in the story is written very well, like foreshadowing is there, and then how Basil Joseph's character is introduced, how when he is throwing a stone at a cat, which is not doing anything, the cat is just sitting there, and so it's for like it tells us a bit about all the characters in the when they are introduced itself. And one of the things is that there is comedy element in this movie, like even when the things that are happening in the movie is sinister, there is comedy element, like when Nasriya's character look through the window, and Siddharth's character is scared seeing her, and then Basil comes up and they have an argument. That is a odd comedy actually happening. But when we know when we find out that what actually was they are doing, Basil and Siddharth characters are doing, we feel that this comedy was a bit unnatural. But uh, that is not necessary. I have heard people complaining that there is like this comedy element was unnatural, but that necessarily don't need to be that way. I feel that all the comedy element is okay, because there are movies that bend the genres together. There are movies which have dark comedy, but this is not dark comedy, just that comedy is there even if the events happening are very sinister. But I felt it is okay, it is okay to have that in a movie, because there are some movies like Korean movie Parasite, even if the things they are doing are dark, there is a touch of comedy there. So like that, other there are movies that do this comedy plus other dark stuff in a lot of good way. And so this movie is also doing that, and I felt it is okay, and I like that. But still I would like this movie a lot more if the actors were different. So otherwise it is an okay movie, we can watch it once, or like it is an enjoyable, not a must watch, but a enjoyable movie. That's my review for Sushma Darshini. And I'll see you another time. uh, Bye.